Hello family, and thank you for viewing this video. Before I reveal the secret website that allows you to get paid for friends, I need you to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I know most people are looking for ways to generate extra income due to the inflation that most of us are feeling at this exact moment. A few of you actually contacted me on Facebook requesting a video, so I decided I would make a short one just to help you out. The site, again, it is totally free to create a page, and there is a very low threshold, which means you can actually start seeing money same day, literally. All you have to do is gain friends and followers, just as most of you are doing currently right now, just like on Instagram, Facebook, and even YouTube. Now, one final announcement before I reveal the secret website. So, if you join the social site, send me a friend request, and get your first 25 friends within 24 hours of joining, I will personally cash up you $25. Okay, are you up for the challenge? Either way, alright, here's the website. As a hint though, if you click the link that's going to be in the description, that's actually going to be a link to connect you to me, so I'll be your friend if you want the challenge. Otherwise, just go to step 1, which is visit www.twirlme.co. Again, twirlme.co. twirlme.co. Again, website link will be in the description. Step 2, you'll be asked to verify your email, which of course every website does that these days, right? Again, it can't be a bogus email. So once you verify your email, now if you're on a desktop, then obviously you'll already be on a desktop mode, but if most of you will be on your mobile phones, yeah? So if you're on a mobile phone, you'll need to switch it to the desktop view. Again, just kind of play around with your phone, depends on what kind of phone you've got, but for most of you, hit the little top 3 buttons at the top right hand corner and it will switch over to desktop view. Again, I don't know what kind of phone you got, but there you go. Step 3, last one, visit the How Twirl Me Works page and you'll see the details about how and when you get paid. It's that simple, guys, okay? So hey, I hope you make lots of friends, make extra money on twirlme.co, and I will see you later, family. Bye-bye.